Electronic Hotel RFID Door Lock System HL-H2028 Overview. You can use the interior knob to lock the door from inside the room. Push the handle upwards to lock the room door from the inside. You can also pull down the handle to open the room door from the inside. The handle does not work when the hotel room card is not swiped. When swiping hotel key card, the handle can work and open the door. Use a mechanical key to open the hotel door lock in an emergency. Insert it into the keyhole from the bottom of the lock. Turn right 90 degrees. Now you can turn the handle down to open the door without swiping your hotel card. After using the hotel room card to open the door, you can insert the hotel key card into the power switch to enable the room power system. Then, you can also use the hotel electronic door plate to use the please clean the room, do not disturb and doorbell functions. After taking out of hotel key card, the room will automatically power off after 10 seconds.